Welcome to Merchandise Shops. In this video we're going to look at customizing the appearance of your merchandise shop. So now we have a few products available in our shop, we can start to mess about with the appearance and have a look at some of the templates that are available. If we go to the appearance page, you can see that there are various templates. One here called Hub, and they have various colour options within each template. So at the moment we have selected the Hub template with a white background and purple as an accent colour. Although it's quite hard to see on here because it's quite small. If you were to change the colour in the preview, you can actually see it very slightly change within there. Scrolling down, you can see there are various different themes, and really it's your choice of theme depending on the type of product that you intend to sell in your web shop. I find that the Hub template is an easy one to use because it has a nice clear white background. The colours there's various different colours, and it allows for images to be placed as banners and logos quite easily. Some of the others might have coloured backgrounds where you may need to start working with transparent images to be able to get those to show properly. Have a little look through those and have a little play with them. Over on the right here is the option to customize CSS and HTML. If you know what they are, then and you're comfortable changing those things, then you can quite happily go in there and have a mess about. If you don't, then best left alone. There will be a later video showing a little bit about that, but we'll leave that for now. We have then related pages, changing your store name and logo. Page elements, which things like the search bar and whether you want currency conversion and things like that to show on your website are found in there. What we'll do first of all is go into the store name and logo. If we flick through to our other browser, just to see how at the moment there's no logo at the top, it's just the Daisy the Duck wording. And if we go back here, we can see the store name, and that's where that wording appears. What we're going to do, instead of having this wording, we can leave it there, because if we decide to remove the logo, the wording will still appear, but we have the option here to add a logo. So we'll browse and we'll choose the Daisy Duck heading and save that. Once that's saved, it returns us back to the template page. And what we can do is we can flick to our other browser to have a look at how that looks. Again, F5 to refresh the screen. And hopefully we can see now, yes, at the top there, instead of the wording, we have our logo going across the top. Okay, back to the control panel, and we'll have a look at some of the templates. If we scroll down to, there's one here called hand drawn. If we click on that, apply template, the system then takes all the information that you have within your website and renders it to this new template theme. It takes a few seconds, so we'll just wait for that. And once that's done, a little tick comes at the top telling you have selected a new theme. We can click to our other browser, and again F5, and you can see the whole complete look of our shop has changed. This template has quite sort of fancy edges. Again, it depends on the type of shop that you want to have. If you go to the design your own section, and we'll just refresh that page as well. And what you can see there is the t-shirts that are on offer ready for customizing, and the theme has these little lines that it's drawn around it. Not everyone's cup of tea, but if that's the kind of thing that you want, then that's great. Again, shop designs, you can see your designs within that theme. There we go. So we'll go back to the home page and back to the control panel. We won't choose that theme, we'll go down for another more basic theme. And if we scroll down, there's another theme that we like to use, which is called large header, which gives you a nice big space at the top for your banner. And we'll apply that as a template. So we've selected that now, and we'll have a look at that one. Back to the other browser and F5. It's a more conventional design, but slightly different to the hub template that we were using earlier. And the reason I've chosen this one is to show you some other customization that's available within the template. We'll go back to our control panel, and within this theme, this large header theme, we're going to go to our View Store tab. And just at the top there are three little buttons. The one on the right shows quick links. That's a way of helping you with showing you around the home page. But it's the middle one we want. It's called Edit Store Appearance. If we click on that, what this does, this allows us to change certain elements within the template. So for example, if we were to click on this bar here, some image options have appeared, and it's telling us that the background color, which is of the menu, which is currently dark grey. If we were to click on that, we can choose one of these other colors. So if we decide we wanted a pink theme running through our shop, if we click that pink there, click the tick, the system will now go through and render all of those areas that were the dark grey and make them pink. You can't see it on there, but if we again flick to our other browser and F5, you can see now that there's a pink theme running through some of the borders and menus. So that's possible to do outside of the standard templates. If we now click back to our control panel and to the Manage Store tab, and again we'll click on Appearance. What we can now see is that when we go back to Appearance, the system is warning us that we've changed some of the template colors, and that if we were now to choose either another template or a set of colors within this template, we're going to lose any changes that we've made by going into the View Store tab. So it's just a warning there. If you've spent quite a lot of time changing colors and making it look exactly how you want, then really you don't want to be going back in here and undoing. So what we'll do is we will click back on the hub template, the white and purple, and apply that to our shop. Sorry, I've clicked the wrong one there. Okay, sorry, I'll click the apply template on this one here, on the hub template with the purple and white, back to where we were. Okay, so that's now been selected, and if we can then go back to our other browser and F5, you can see that we're back to where we were, albeit with a new logo at the top. We'll look at further customization in other videos.